how long though.
How long are we gonna be on this boat for?
We can't. The weather's kind of bad, but it's okay. Hi from our cabin in Halong Bay. Actually, it's technically Bai Tu Long Bay. We are on the Dragon Pearl, the Indochina junk cruise ships, and we are going on a 3-day, 2-night cruise around these gorgeous rocks. And this is our room, so it's kind of the perfect size. Hi, Alex. We have like a queen size bed, and then this little hallway, and then the bathroom. And our room is in a really good spot. It's like up high and doesn't really have anybody around it. So we got really lucky, and we're gonna go get like appetizers in a little bit and go kayaking, but for now we're just resting because we're really tired. It took a long time to get here. It was like a 5-hour drive with a couple stops, but yeah, but we're here. We can literally lay in bed and look out at the rocks. It's amazing. Really oily right now. I just put on my skincare, but we slept pretty well. I had only slept like 3 hours the night before, so I slept from like 9 until 7, which is really good for me. But yeah, we're gonna go have some coffee and breakfast. Today we were supposed to go do like a beach barbecue, but I don't know if that's gonna happen, and it might rain. So I don't know, I might just chill. It's kind of nice being on a forced social media break, a forced work break. There is no internet here, nothing. So yeah, it's just really relaxing and really beautiful. I'll just keep talking to you while I put my shoes on. But last night I didn't really vlog very much. We went kayaking, and I obviously wasn't gonna bring like video out there just because I'm afraid to drop my phone. But we went kayaking for like 30 minutes. It was so cool. It was kind of cold, but it was really beautiful. And when we got back, we got some wine and just hung out on the sun deck with the other passengers. It's really cool. You just, I don't know, you get to know everybody because there's nothing else to do besides like talk to each other, which is a good thing. So yeah, we like talk to everyone. Most people here, pretty much everyone is from Canada, which I think is interesting. And then there's there's one woman from Croatia, but we are the only people from the United States. Everyone's just like super nice, and I'm so glad that we have a good group, because I feel like if you didn't, it would be hard since you're spending all your time together. That's kind of it. It's also a lot colder than I thought it would be, just because it's like really cloudy, not even temperature wise. And I didn't bring that many warm clothes because everywhere else we're going is warm, so probably just gonna wear the same like jacket and sweatshirt all the next few days, but no one cares. I don't care. But I did bring like skirts and dresses that I could layer long sleeve shirts under. I think that's like the #1 trick for traveling with a carry-on bag for a while, because I can just layer everything. So that's been really good, and I'm gonna go get some coffee and breakfast, and I'll see you guys in a bit. There's a fish in her boat. day 3 on a fishing boat to a fishing village, and it is pouring rain. Yay!
Medium size, with size from 8 to 15 millimeters. Half on main color, black color. It takes 4 to 6 years to get on her, and they come from Tahiti Island, France. I can open the oyster and use it for pearl. Small oyster can make small pearl, but the successful rate to make the pearl about the 30%. Just 10% beautiful pearl, 20% imperfection.
I probably wouldn't recommend this cruise for 3 days and 2 nights if you're coming during the rainy season, but it was really fun and we got to do some cool stuff. It just wasn't like what I expected, but it's really beautiful and you should come, even if it's just for 1 day.